cooking confidently starts with understanding salt and how to use it. There are 3 basic types of salt that we like to have on hand. Fine salt, which we primarily use for baking. Kosher salt, which we use for everything from salting steaks to seasoning pasta water. And then finishing salt, which is great for salads and baked goods. Let's take a closer look. When it comes to kosher salt, brands vary in salinity and crystal size. So I recommend choosing one brand and sticking with it so you know what to expect when it comes to seasoning your food. There are 3 opportunities to season: before you cook, while you're cooking, and after cooking. You can think of seasoning large pieces of meat as a bell curve. Either season them right before cooking or season them up to 24 hours in advance, where the salt will help improve their texture and flavor. This is going to look like a lot of salt for this steak. Don't be shy. Here we have the steak we just seasoned next to a steak that was salted 24 hours in advance. As you can see, the one we seasoned in advance absorbed most of the salt, and the salt has changed the color and texture of the meat. When you are seasoning things in advance, it does help to set them on a cooling rack inside a sheet tray so that air can circulate around the meat. This makes for crispier chicken and steaks that sear better. Now that you know everything about salt, you can go forth and season smartly. Thanks for watching.